Hi, I'm Jeannie, and this is the Artistic Torah Layered Bar Mitzvah invitation from Craft. This stylish invitation is digitally printed on white shimmer cardstock that is layered over a navy shimmer backer in your choice of ink color and features your wording details placed inside a sketched Torah scroll. We've added an optional Hebrew name at the bottom for a more personal touch. This invitation measures 7 1/4 inches wide by 5 1/8 inches high. The coordinating reception and response enclosures will print on matching single cardstock, and the thank you notes will print on folder stock. This invitation comes with single envelopes. We show it here with an optional return address on the back flap. You may purchase this invitation from invitationsforless.com. To assemble this invitation, begin with the invitation, the backer, and your supplied sheet of glue dots face up in front of you. First thing we're going to do is to pick up the glue dots and place one dot down in each one of the 4 corners of your backer. Then pick up the invitation card and carefully position it so it's nice and centered onto the backer. Press it down and you're ready to move on to final assembly.